those candles, so make sure to make O's. So go ahead and blow those candles, man.
Happy birthday!
So kayo may ano eh, may second voice at saka na po call and response dito sa kabila. So go ahead, man.